So if you've been in the AI world for a while, you've probably used Gamma to make slides. And look, Gamma's fine, but a lot of people run into the same walls with it. You feel locked into its style. You want more real control over the design. And you kind of wish your slide tool could also do everything else you need instead of being a one-trick app. So today I'm going to show you how to make AI slides without Gamma using Runable, which is honestly one of the best Gamma alternatives out there right now. And I'll show you exactly why by the end of this. Quick note, there's a link in the description if you want to create an account and follow along. Now let's get into it. Head to runable.com, sign in, and on the home dashboard, click Slides from the shortcuts below the input bar. Now, right away, here's the first thing Runable does differently. Before it builds anything, you get real control up front. You choose your slide count anywhere from a short 4 to 8 slide deck up to 24 slides. You choose your theme, professional for data-heavy decks or visual for graphics-heavy ones, and this is the big one, you choose your format. You can pick HTML, where every slide is fully editable, so you can click into it and actually move, resize, and rewrite elements yourself. That's the kind of hands-on control a lot of people feel they're missing elsewhere. Then you just describe your deck in a single prompt. Something like, create a training deck for new hires at a small accounting firm covering our onboarding process and company values. The agent asks you a couple of quick questions about audience and tone, and then it generates the whole thing, picking the perfect layout for each slide automatically, from title slides to charts to big number spotlights to timelines. 13 different layout types chosen for you based on your content. Now here's where the Gamma alternative part really shines. First, because it's the HTML format, you get genuine direct editing control over your slides, not just regenerating and hoping. Second, you can bring your own template. If you've got an existing PowerPoint, Keynote, or OpenOffice file with your brand style, you upload it and Runable uses it as the design reference. Your content, your existing look. And third, when you're done, you export cleanly to PDF or a real PPTX PowerPoint file, so nothing's trapped inside one platform. But honestly, the biggest reason to switch is this. Gamma makes slides. That's basically it. Runable makes your slides, and then in the same place, it can build your website, write your reports, generate your images and videos, and even run an AI agent for you. So instead of paying for a separate slide app, a separate this, a separate that, it's all one tool. Your presentation is just one of the many things it does. So that's the move. You pick slides, you set your format and theme, you describe your deck in one prompt, you edit it directly, and you export it wherever you want, all without being boxed into a single style or a single purpose app. And that's it. That's how you make AI slides without Gamma using Runable. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials just like this, and I'll see you in the next video.